Okay, so learning communities group students of similar majors or interests into the same set of courses. So this allows them to take the same schedule, start building friendships and support networks. And so each year when incoming first year students come in, there's going to be around 4,500 of these students. 98% of them will end up in a learning community. Where the challenge arises is scheduling for that many students. As of right now, the Learning Community Office does it all manual, all held in spreadsheets. And so our job was to try to automate this process.
Overall, the scheduling process is really time intensive and takes about a month currently for the members of this office to complete. So, as Cooper was saying, our job was to help automate this process and reduce lookups. So leveraging current APIs such as course offerings and existing learning community applications, we were able to design something that fulfilled the goals of reducing the time that it takes to schedule these communities. Overall, our goal was to just reduce lookups for our course offerings and have everything in one centralized location. So it no longer takes a month, and the Learning Community Office can focus on more important work that they do, such as learning community programming, the Links program. They have ties to outdoor pursuits and a bunch of other really important programs throughout the university.
Yeah, so I want to place you in the shoes of someone that works at the Learning Community Office. So you're trying to schedule the new communities clusters for the incoming year. This normally happens around February. So we have this how it works section here. First, you're just going to change the term for the incoming year, and that's going to populate half the data to start. Stuff like learning community names, the size of those communities, and then some of the courses that are actually in that community. Then what you're going to want to do is generate schedules for this community. We have two algorithms for our web application. One utilizes the historical data from the previous year, and we're trying to match those times from year to year. The other one is just all possible valid schedule combinations. Once you look at those generated schedules, you can select one that you think is best for that community for the incoming year, assign it to the community, and then our last step is to export this to Excel. And then this is what we give to the departments and what they give to freshmen when they come for orientation. And then they know what classes they're taking for their first semester at Ohio University.
So overall, our application performs three very important functions for learning community administrators. The first is allowing them to organize everything about learning communities in one centralized location. So in the past, this information was spread across several Excel spreadsheets. Now everything is in one place. The second is allowing them to set enrollment caps for specific courses or classes. So if you think about a student scheduling tool, typically that only allows you to schedule for one person at a time. Our application allows them to schedule groups of students and keep track of the numbers of students they are trying to assign to a specific class or course to keep things consistent. And finally, obviously, as Dalton said, we're able to allow them to generate schedules in a variety of ways using historical data that's directly relevant to them. So using all of those components, we hope to really reduce the amount of time it takes to schedule learning communities every fall. Thank you.